We've been kind of nailing these prices on this thing. All right, we nailed the ABC correction pretty much almost to the dollar down here. Okay, we are calling for about 1807. Got down to about what is that? Real close. 1810, something like that. Missed it by about $3. So we're gonna move that right up here at support level. There we go. All right, that matches up. Thought it was going to come down just a little bit to match up with this over here. This is on the weekly chart, but just pulled up short. All right, we had this resistance level, this blue line right here. Ended up breaking out from it right through here. Resistance, resistance. Now we got the breakout. We're getting a back test. All right, where's this back test going to come to, and what's going to happen next? All right, it has stopped. Right at this level right there. Okay, so is it going to pull down any further? Possibly. Could pull right back down. Let's take a look here because we have some RSIs getting pretty high. We have a level. That looks pretty close. Let's go on the monthly. Take a look here. All right, monthly levels are the ones that, yeah, so you got one right, got a really good one right there too, right here. Let's mark that. There we go. All right, so if we go back to the weekly here, all right, you can see that what is that, 19 roughly 1955, and then down at 1937. All right, are very, very good levels. All right, now if we look at RSIs, the weekly is getting right to the top here. Okay, it's at a 89 and a 93. It can stay up there for a while. Look back here. This thing got to the top. Right there, it's in a 96 and a 94. Let's pull this up a little bit. All right. Now let's take a look here. It can stay up there for a long time. Here it was at the top, and it was at 1794. It didn't slow down until it went up to 1958. So, you can get a little bit of a pullback here if this thing decides to pull down. All right, down at the bottom, it's only at a 55. All right, that thing can go up to 90. All right, now if we go on the monthly looks like it wants to turn back up. It's at a 70.08 and a 70.35. All right, so it looks like it wants to push up. The daily is just about reset. Okay, now it still is heading down. That's why I'm saying it could come down to this lower level, down at 1937, and get a bounce from there. All right, if it loses this support down through here, I'd say if it loses 1937, then this correction could end up going a little bit deeper. But I believe this breakout, this resistance, I believe we're going to take another shot at this top. We've had this triple top come in. You see it right there. All three tops. 1, 2, 3. Three of them right there at right around $2,080. All right. If I believe we're going to make another run at that. We'll see if we can break it or not. But I believe it's going to make another run. Let's go back on the weekly and put a fib on here and go from the swing high to the swing low. All right, you can see what we hit. We hit a 702. All right, that's your big levels, okay? That's 702. A lot of times, if you get rejected at that 702, okay, we're having a pullback now, and we'll see if we can get a bounce here. But the big number, the 2024, if we can get through there, and the 2002, all right, that's the 702 and the 786, then I believe we're making a run at that top and possibly another all-time high if we get through there. If we get through the what is that roughly? It's just a hair lower, right about 2082, somewhere right around there. Then you have a target up here at 2250. So we'll see where the bounce comes in. Keep an eye on them levels at 1937. You don't want to see it lose that if it pulls down there. It could get the bounce right from here and start taking off. All right, keep an eye on them levels very, very well. All right, 1955 or 1947, see 1955 right there. Very, very good support. That's where it's bouncing from. If it comes down to 1937, you want to see it hold that. Okay, and then we have a shot at higher prices. If we lose that, then this, these RSIs, the weekly being up at the top like that, and that monthly could start rolling over. Okay, and we could see a deeper correction. So keep your eye on gold. It's right at pivotal area right now, pivotal point. So, all right, guys, thanks a lot. Please hit the like and subscribe. Talk to you soon.